Hello, you good people. Thank you so much for clicking to this channel. I don't take it for granted. For the old members, welcome back. And for the new members, you're most welcome. Please consider subscribing, liking, sharing. Posh is my name and YouTube is the game. So today I'm doing this soft velvet orange cake. I just love the color. I love everything in it. It's so delicious. It's so soft. It has everything. Let's get started.
Ba ba da ba ba.
And after 60 minutes in the oven, my orange cake is ready. Looks lovely, it looks yummy. It has cooled down a bit. I'll just place it on a cooling rack, and it's well cooked. As you can see, toothpick is clean. I'll just remove it. Hope you've enjoyed my baking till this far. Wow, look at that color. You know, something funny with orange cake, it gives it that lovely orangish color. Yes, I'll just prepare icing sugar. I'm not a fan of icing sugar though. I never ice my cakes, but for orange cake I'll do it because I want that orange taste on top. So this is 4 spoons of icing sugar and a bit of orange juice because it doesn't need much liquid. So I'll just spread it over, just a little, not too much. As I was saying, hope you've enjoyed my baking. Please let me know, comment, say something. Let me know where you're watching from. The smell of that orange on top, it's just heavenly. Yeah, that's enough. As I said, I don't like icing, so I'm not doing much. And here is the moment of truth. Let's slice it. Wow, it's soft, it's soft. And if you see that, that shows how soft it is. Look at me licking. Yeah, and it's done. That's my orange cake. I love it. I love it so much. And thank you so much for being with me till this far. Please consider subscribing, comment, say something, and let me enjoy my cake. It's a loaf cake. Until next one, bye bye.